Investing in Spaceship requires a disciplined long-term strategy to maximize growth while minimizing risk. Spaceship offers diversified portfolios that combine global equities, technology stocks, and innovation-driven companies, giving investors access to high-growth opportunities. The first step is understanding your risk tolerance. Spaceship's portfolios vary from conservative to high growth, and aligning your choice with your risk profile ensures you stay invested during market fluctuations. Consistency is critical. Investing a fixed amount regularly, such as $200 per month, allows you to benefit from dollar-cost averaging. This strategy smooths out the impact of market volatility and gradually builds your portfolio over time. Long-term investment horizons, typically 5 to 10 years or more, give your portfolio the best chance to grow exponentially, especially in high-growth funds. Reinvesting dividends and capital gains is essential to harness the power of compounding. By letting your earnings stay invested, even small amounts can grow significantly over years. Monitoring your portfolio periodically ensures it remains aligned with your long-term goals, but avoid frequent trading, as this can reduce overall returns and increase fees. Spaceship's focus on innovative sectors such as technology, renewable energy, and global equities means the portfolio is positioned for future growth. Staying the course, even during market downturns, is crucial. Markets will fluctuate, but maintaining a disciplined approach over 10 or more years typically rewards investors with substantial gains. Finally, keeping fees low enhances long-term returns. Spaceship's low-cost structure allows more of your investment to remain in the market, compounding over time. By combining regular contributions, reinvestment of earnings, patience, and a focus on growth sectors, Spaceship's long-term strategy becomes a powerful tool for wealth creation. This approach emphasizes steady, consistent investing, leveraging market growth, and capitalizing on innovation, ensuring a well-structured pathway to financial growth over the long term.